Hello all my little friends. Today we will be drawing Doraemon. So let's start. First we will start Doraemon's face with a circle. I am taking a circular object to make the circle. Now I will make a line in the middle. Make this line lightly so that later on when you erase, the mark completely goes. Now, nose of our Doraemon. See the gap here less, here more. Now the two eyes of Doraemon. Two circles touching each other. You can see this line in the middle helps us a lot. Here, Doraemon's smiley. Next, what we have to do is like this. From here, come down, come and touch here, come and touch here. So, our Doraemon's face is almost done. Only we have to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Our Doraemon's face is almost done. Now we will do the collar. See, from here down, and then join. So this is the collar of Doraemon. The bell, next we will do the body of our Doraemon. 1, 2. These lines are slightly curvy, not straight lines. This, next this, next pocket of Doraemon, and where the magical gadgets comes out. Right? Now, hand. 2 circles forms the hand of our cute Doraemon. Right? Now, the feet. With this, our Doraemon drawing is done. Now we will trace our drawing. So we have traced our drawing, and now time to color. And for coloring we will be using brush pens. So let's start. First, red. The nose of Doraemon, red. Keep a little white space to show the shine. The collar is red. Next, yellow. The bell is yellow. And what's going to be the color of Doraemon? Yes, everybody knows it. It's blue. Blue color. Slowly. Don't be in a hurry while coloring. Slow movements of hand. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Keep on coloring. Enjoy your coloring. Slow. Next, this part. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Be careful. In the edges, color should not go out of the line. Slow movement of hands. And the rest of the part remains white. You all know that. Red again. Why? Doraemon loves you all. And with this, our drawing is done. Doraemon is done. Bye bye for today.